Welcome! If you've ever missed a message or mention because Discord's web version stayed silent, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to enable notification sounds on Discord web using your PC, especially after the latest update. With just a few quick steps, you'll never miss an important ping again. First, open up your favorite browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever you prefer, and head over to discord.com. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up your user settings. Inside the user settings menu, look for the notifications tab on the left sidebar. It's usually a little ways down, marked with a bell icon. Click on notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Now, scroll down until you see the section labeled Sounds. Here's where you can customize how Discord notifies you. In the latest update, there's a setting called Disable All Notification Sounds. If this option is turned on, you won't hear any sounds for messages, mentions, or anything else. To make sure you get those notification sounds, simply make sure this option is turned off. Just click the toggle so it's no longer highlighted. That's it. Now, whenever someone sends you a message or mentions you in a channel, you'll hear the familiar Discord notification sound, even when you're using the web version on your PC. If you want to take it a step further, you can also customize which specific sounds you want to hear for different types of notifications. Just scroll through the list and adjust the toggles to suit your preferences. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and Discord updates. See you in the next video.